Dear children, welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School. Last class we studied about shifts in demand and corresponding changes in equilibrium price. Today let us study about shifts in supply and corresponding changes in equilibrium price. As you know, when demand and supply is changing, equilibrium price also is changing. How we can study shifts in supply and changes in equilibrium price? As you know, suppose supply shifts, maybe rightward shift, maybe leftward shift. Demand held constant. What will happen to the equilibrium price and quantity? Suppose supply shifts, demand held constant. Analyze its impact on equilibrium price and quantity. As you know, OX axis we measure demand and supply. OY axis we measure price. What we studied today? Given a market equilibrium, supply curve and demand curve. As you know, given a market equilibrium, the initial equilibrium, the corresponding price quantity combination, OP price and OQ quantity. Given a market equilibrium, suppose supply shifts either to the right or to the left. Demand held constant. Analyze its impact on equilibrium price and quantity. Initial demand curve, supply curve, the initial equilibrium, initial price and initial quantity. What is the analysis? Suppose supply shifts. Today let us take supply shift to the right. Supply increases. Rightward shift of the supply curve. Okay. S1, S1. As you know, supply increases. Supply shift to the right. Rightward shift of the supply curve. Demand held constant. Analyze its impact on equilibrium price and quantity. Identify the new equilibrium, that is E1. The intersection point of the new supply curve with that of the old demand curve. And mark, the corresponding price quantity combination Q1 and price OP0. The new equilibrium, identify the corresponding price quantity combination. What we draw now? Supply shift to the right. Supply increases. Demand held constant. Analyze its impact on equilibrium price and quantity. The new equilibrium E1. The corresponding price quantity combination. Now identify what happened to equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity. As you know, at this new equilibrium, equilibrium price decreased from OP to OP0. Equilibrium quantity increased from OQ to OQ1. Equilibrium quantity means quantity demanded and supplied. So what happened here? Equilibrium price decreased. Equilibrium quantity increased. What happened? When the supply increases, the supply is more. When the supply is more, price is less. You know that. When the supply increases, equilibrium price declined from OP to OP0. And equilibrium quantity means quantity demanded and supplied. Increased from OQ to OQ1. So what is the impact of all these shifts in supply? Equilibrium price decreases. Equilibrium quantity increases. The supply is more, price is less. When the price is less, demand is more. Isn't it? When the supply is more, price is less. When the price is less, demand is more. So how can you say? Suppose demand held constant, supply shift to the right. What is its impact on equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity? Equilibrium price decreased, from OP to OP naught. Equilibrium quantity increased, from OQ to OQ1. Yes, How can we analyze this? When the supply is more, price is less. When the price is less, demand is more. That is why here what type of change you can observe on account of these shifts in supply? That is, equilibrium price decreases, equilibrium quantity increases. Okay? Thank you.